Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cushions on the BlueParrott C400 headset. In this compostable bag, you're going to have several parts. You're going to have 2 rings, 2 foam Earpads. You're going to have 2 leatherette Earpads in addition to the 2 microphone windscreens. So that is what your C400 looks like, and it should have come in a box that looks very similar to this. If you're using the headband, you're going to need 2 parts. You're going to need the ring, and you'll need this leatherette earpad, or you can use the foam earpad. Let's go with the leatherette since that's the most common. And this is the part where sometimes it gets a little tricky. So if you've taken the headband off, what you want to do is first put the head back on. It's going to snap in place. So it takes a little bit of effort, and you're going to feel it give and just slide down in there. Once it's in there, it'll be secure. Down below this ridge that's here. Now I'm ready for the next step. I'm going to take my black ring. I'm going to put it inside this leatherette. Should just slip right in there. Okay. And now I just need to line this up and go right to that ridge there. And I want to hear, it may click or snap, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Bam. And that's how you know you've got this on there nice and secure, and you're ready to go with the headband. Let me show you how you could use the foam. If you've already got the ring already on here, it's very simple. Just put it on there, slides right over the top, and you're all set. Now let's take a look how to add the microphone windscreen. Now the windscreen should fit right over there nice and snug, and you have these ridges. The important part here is to always make sure when you're using the microphone, make sure that when you add it, and it's happened to some folks, that it's not a little twisted, and it should slide right on there. And these ridges that are right on here should secure the microphone windscreen in place. And what I like to do is just stretch it from the opening with 2 thumbs. Try to channel your inner Bob Ross. If you don't know who he is, Google him. And there you go. Look at that. Just like new. Let me show you what this looks like with it on the head. All right. So now let's put on the neckband. I'm going to take this off. So it just comes right off. What we want to do here again is just secure the ring right below that ridge that's here. Okay, and I'm going to turn it this way. That's the back of it. All right, I can feel it just gave me a little click. It's a silent click. So go ahead and grab the ring. If you want to, let's say you want to use a foam. It's already in here. All right. And again, we're looking for a little click or pop. Bam, there it is. And let me show you how that goes on the head. All right, there it is. And there you go. And that's how you replace the cushions on your BlueParrott C400-XT Bluetooth headset. Thanks for checking this video out.